Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a Windows automation program to run a Windows program. Now we've done something similar to this I think last week or the week before, but this one is a slightly more advanced program. So what you'll need to have this on board, which I think comes with Perl by default, so all you have to do is just enter it here. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a subroutine. Sub, and this is going to be automate program. Right, we're going to print a message to the user telling them what to do. Enter a program. So you'll enter a program here, something like notepad.exe. Okay, now we're going to get the user input, so we use chomp my, I'm going to call it scalar program, and assign it to standard input. Okay. Oops, slight typo there. Okay, that's more like it. And what we're going to do is we're going to print another message to the user. Simply going to say start time. So the user's going to enter a start time, so we're going to do chomp again. I'm going to call the scalar variable runtime. Run time. Assign it to standard input to get the user input. Okay. Now we're going to say sleep. I'm going to give it a pause of 1 second until, and we're going to use strf time here. So we're going to format the time. So this is going to be %h for the hours, %m for the minutes, and %s for the seconds. Okay, and that's going to be local time, so it's going to grab the local time from our computer, and then we're just going to say eq equals and scalar runtime here. Right, so we're so far along. Just have a look at that. Sleep until strf time. strf time. We've got the hours, we've got the minutes, we've got the seconds. We grab the local time from the computer, and if it's equal to runtime. Okay, then we print a message to the user telling them what's going on. So program will start at, and that's going to be scalar runtime, so the time that you've entered in there. Then we do /n new line. Okay, and now we're going to use the system here to start the program, and then that's going to be scalar program, what we typed in above, and we'll just equals to 0. So we'll check the program started properly. And if it didn't, we'll use an error handler or die. And we'll just simply say error running. Okay, so that's just our simple error handler there. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program. So we call it by its name. Automate program. Let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to enter a program. Notepad.exe and the start time. So let me have a look at my computer. So that's going to be 11. Let's get the format right as well. 50 and 0 seconds. Hit enter and wait. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.